Alright, welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. Doing a quick job on a VS Commodore, a 95 model. It's got a bit of history on it. It's a one-owner car. It's got 135,000 Ks on it. It's set out in the open for the last 4 years next to a river and obviously the ocean there. It's been driven down to me by car trailer so I can do a little bit of work on it. How about we just get into it and show you, hey? Alright, so this is her in all its glory. So what I got to do is respray the bonnet, clean up the roof, give it a paint job, and the rear wing, and a nice sand and polish. But I don't know, you can't pick it all up, but it's got a lot of hail dents in it. So the whole car, even all these panels, but he doesn't want the panels all sorted, just a nice polish. The bumper's got more cracks in it. I won't touch this one. It's just too far gone. And it's been painted once before, because just even here, you can see the original colour under that. Yeah, got this side down here. Interior. So this car is an Acclaim, but it's also fitted with HSV enhancement. So yeah, we get in the boot. So there's not much to see in here, just a lot of, you can just see. So yeah, under the bonnet. So this is a major disappointment under the bonnet. Yep, Ecotech V6. If you can only smell what this car smells like. We've got a few rats living in here. Hopefully they vacated before they dropped in. Maybe chicken lived in here. Oh, there's the exhaust. That figures. So hood lining's fallen down. Typical Commodore. Dash got a bit hot. It popped off. That's sitting down there. Yeah, I might just set yours up on the tripod and see a few things. What have we got down in here? Old shirt. That looks like the fuel tank. Yeah, she's not my cup of tea, but yeah, oh, it stinks. I'm going to clean it up and we'll go from there. So stayed back late last night. Well, I think it was about 7:30. Finished the bonnet. Came in early this morning. Finished the roof, so it's all ready to roll. Just has to get washed, degreased, and wax and grease and taped up. So all the dents are out of it. It's nice and smooth. Lock back. Same with the bonnet. So just taped it, kept all the contaminants off it as much as I can. While I was dusting this place out, you probably can still see it's a bit hazy. Yeah, she's a mess in here at the moment, a bit busy. So yeah, alright, update you when it's about to get paint. Alright, so I got my first coat down, not bad coverage for the first coat. You can see my overlap in the middle, the bonnet there. We'll move on to the roof here. Same here. So overlap in the middle. So what I've done here, in here, I J-taped it. So it lifted up the rubber so I don't get that seal that it looks like it's been resprayed. So all I do is tuck the J-tape under the rubber, and then I can put my tape straight over top. This is 1:1, so she's already flashed off. I'm using normal hardener on this. On my clear I'll use slow. Right, alright, I'll go back into it. Alright, coat number 2. Oh, there we go. Alright, so coat number 2. I'm having a break. 15 minutes, so I'll wait. Good coverage again. One more coat. Same with the bonnet. One more on it. Still a bit see-through. Hasn't flashed off as quick this time. Alright, now have something to eat and keep going. Alright, top coat all complete. Picked up 2 little bits of things, like a bit of dust floating around. Expected. I'm not painting this car in a spray booth, so I'm dreading to see how the roof turns out. We'll find out very shortly. Alright, first coat. So I did the first coat as a dust. I've just laid this one down a bit thicker, so technically it's my second coat on the roof. So first coat on the roof, one more, and then that'll be it. Yeah, she's fuming in here, but not as bad as it normally would be. So yeah, just cover up all the rest of the cars and wet the floor down just for this one. Alright, second coat, just straight after. Waited 15 minutes on that one. So quite happy with the result. She's I use slow because it takes a bit longer to dry, but it does level out perfectly. So, and the shine straight off the gun. I'm not even polishing this car. Alright, last coat. So she went down. So a dickhead decided he wanted to mow, so I got some grass right there. Like an arsehole. Always mows when we all want to paint around here. So the bonnet's done. Picked up a little bit of crap in that. But yeah, so she's all done. Now it's time to sit back and wait. I might do some work on this piece of shit. Alrighty, so I've untaped it because I don't want a hard edge. So I'm using new tape. I'm using cam tape other than the other tape I was using, but I find that it lifts. It's no drama, I just got a couple on this side and one down in there, but that's no drama. Like, it sticks to everything but what you want it to stick to. This side's pretty good. No, I think that's on the rubber. No, but there's a little bit there, but you won't see that because that's all trim there. Yeah, pissed about that. So, yeah.